Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how you can draw an NFT on Canva. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva dashboard. If you don't have a Canva account, just navigate to canva.com and create your free account. To create an NFT, one thing I'll do is to navigate into my search tab area and search in NFT. I'll hit on enter to see all the available templates that are provided. Remember, NFTs are extremely unique, so you'll have to think through on what kind of NFT you're drawing and what kind of design you want to have. In this case, I will choose one template that looks very close to my design. I'll click on Mastering NFT here for education purpose, and then I'll navigate into Customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode. Here, I have the ability to manipulate my image to create an NFT. So first things first, if I don't like this template, I can navigate into some of the different template options that are available, or even by searching NFT at the top here, just to find the other NFT templates that are there. And I can switch and swatch to the different options. In this case, I'll keep this because I just want to design mine from scratch and have some of the information populated. So, first things first, I'll erase that photo of the individual and probably put my photo up there. So navigate into the upload option. I can upload directly from my computer or use the available tools. In this case, I'll want to use my logo probably. I'll select the logo, drag it where the individual image is. I don't need a subscribe button for now, but in this case I want to create my NFT in this workspace area. Well, I'll erase some of the content in here and then navigate, and assuming this is the NFT or the drawing that I have already created, I'll drag it and bring it into the work area. And in here I can create the name of that specific NFT. For example, this is monkey. So I'll double click into the content area there and write monkey. And in here, I can populate my details. For example, write my name, my addresses, and where to find me. Once this is done, I can also incorporate a QR code down here so that it makes this NFT image very scannable. Notice that NFT are non-fungible products. And in this case, once you're done, you'll need to export them as PNGs and publish them in the crypto world. So in this case, I will select PNG, hit on download, and we're done. And there we go, folks. You can now create your own NFT on Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.